Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you the best Facebook ads for car salesmen and car dealerships that you can just literally copy and paste for your own business. If you run a dealership marketing agency and you want to help your clients get better results, this is for you. And also if you're just a car salesman or a finance manager at a dealership, then just follow me step by step in this video to implement it for yourself and get cheap leads. For example, this client came to me a couple of days ago as a referral. He already paid an invoice. 19th, that's when we started. And since then, we already got 31 Facebook message. As you can see, the last 3 days for the cost of only $3 per message. That's Canadian, so pretty cheap. This is how the conversations usually look. People just tell us the car they're interested in, then we reply back and forth, get their phone number, and then schedule an appointment, right? Also, this is just an image carousel on Facebook and Instagram. This is how it looks. It's a combination of, the best looking pictures of the most popular car in your dealership. That's how I usually like to do it, because you want to sell something that's in high demand and also available in terms of your stock. So once you sell this one, you have a couple more to then just keep selling. You don't want to pause this ad, replace it with a different car. You just want to always keep this particular car running. Maybe if you already sold the $26,000 car, you have a 27, 25, different year, different kilometers, different trim. Just bring them into your dealership. But what you do is you go to your website and find the most popular car that you like, and then just download pictures like that. Then go to Canva and drag and drop those pictures. And this is how you structure your campaign on Facebook. So you start with create, and then you select engagement, then continue, and manual. Then press continue. After you click those buttons, and then this basically gonna appear, you name it. I would just name it engagement. In the categories, you must select financial products because you are selling financing, and you just have to, because otherwise Facebook will ban you. Then you leave everything as is and you click next. Then you select your Facebook and Instagram pages, scroll down, select your daily budget. $1,000 per month is a good place to start. Always start date, have it at midnight. Then scroll down, select your location. So you can even just enter your dealership address here. Select the range of 65, 70 kilometers, 80 kilometers. Then in the detail targeting, you can be specific and say used car, for example, or maybe SUV or sedan or luxury vehicles, right? But I leave it open and just let Facebook find the right audience for those specific cars, because over time it will learn. Facebook's algorithm is very smart, so it will just over time find the best audience for the placements. You want to select Facebook feed profile, marketplace, video feeds, stories, in-stream videos, and search results. But you can also experiment and do Instagram feed, Instagram reels, Instagram stories as well, and see how it works for you. And to create your first ad, you want to have it as a carousel instead of just a single image or video. We want to have a couple of scrollable images in their feed on Facebook. Then we upload our pictures that we created in Canva, and in the headline we always want to, not always, you can obviously do whatever you want, but I like to put my price in the brackets here, and then year, make, model of the car, and then maybe here, for example, if there are no accidents, I want to put it there. If there's a clean Carfax, I also want to put it there. In the description, I put the kilometers. I click the checkbox, automatically show the best performing cards first, because Facebook will then, after spending a couple of dollars, tens of dollars, will then realize which image is a best performing one, so that it will always start with that one for better results. In the primary text, this is how I structure my text. The same thing that I put in the headline here, which is the price, year, make, model, all the car description details, kilometers. Always put just, even if it's 150,000 kilometers, I'll still put that word in there. This part is obviously variable depending on the car, kilometers, everything. But then this part, second one, is same for all the cars that I will be using here. This is the message template that I use. This is how it's going to show up, right? And I name the template after the car. And then I click save. And that's pretty much done. At the end, obviously, you click publish. Also, if you don't want to waste your time engaging in those conversations that might lead to them ghosting you, not leaving their phone number, and you just want to save your time and get their phone number right away, but still save a little bit of money, maybe pay $8, $10 for those phone numbers, then this is a way out. You click here, create, and then under leads, manual leads campaign, click continue, you name it leads, instant form. The category is financial, and then everything else stays the same. You click next, and here, instant forms. Dynamic creative is turned off. We're not going to use the catalog here. Daily budget. The minimum that I would suggest if you are on a low budget is 15. Always schedule for midnight the next day. Nothing here. You need to select your radius somewhere here. Let's just say that dealership was in that spot, and then this is the radius. You can put as much as 80 kilometers and add extra bubbles if you really wanted to, but I mean 60 is good enough. We are limited in terms of the age demographics, man, women, age, but we can use detailed targeting to our advantage still. I would leave it open here, my personal preference. And then if it doesn't work after a couple of days, maybe go back and change it here to used car. But I've realized after spending thousands, hundreds of thousands of dollars on Facebook is that it's better to just start with open targeting. Now, all languages, yes, and then here manual. This is where we don't want to give Facebook all the power to just waste our money. No, we want to tell the Facebook where exactly. We want to show our videos, images, advertisements. Instagram stories, Facebook stories, sure. Reels, yes, all of that good stuff. Marketplace, video feeds, and then Explore, regular one. Stories, reels, and that will put us at 9 placements. So I usually name my ad sets like this: 60 kilometers, open targeting, 9 placements, and then the audience size is 7.9 million. The more, the better. The problem comes with smaller audience sizes. Like if it's under 50,000, then there's a problem. 100,000 with a low budget, like $15 a day, doable. 500, okay range. $1 million is a sweet spot. Above $1 million, no problem. The more the merrier. Next, here you can also do the carousel like in the previous one. I'm gonna just show you a different ad that I prepared. This one we want to turn off. Add creative, image ad, and then upload. Okay, select that, click next, original, next. In the primary text, so this is my instant form template. This is the primary text that you can use. This is the headline, number 1, and the headline, number 2. Facebook is pretty smart. It learns over time pretty well. So you want to give it a couple of options. 2 headlines, 1 primary text. Also, I just forgot to remove the city and replace it with your city, my city, Toronto. Okay, and everything else is good. And the description, going back. Also, we have 2 options. Add another one, copy and paste. Call to action, learn more, because it tends to generate more traffic. Click create a form. Continue. Form name. Don't really bother about naming them. It's not important. So just the date is fine. Okay, next. Here, background image off, greeting on, headline. Buying a vehicle shouldn't be hard. Conditional logic is turned off. Description. We want more than that. We want actually start with the name. Email, not that important, but we will just leave it there. The phone number is the most important for us. Email, phone, full name. And also you can add additional questions. Multiple choice. Good to have. Are you? Yes, no. Why are we adding those qualifying questions? Honestly, that's just for the leads to be intrigued about the options that they might get from filling out this form. Also, it will sort out the flaky leads who are not time invested in this whole process, and they just kind of like pressing buttons here and there and not really serious. So we at least want a little bit of a time investment on their part to kind of, answer a couple of questions so that when we call them, they're not going to be wasting our time. Question, multiple choice, electric, hybrid, gas, diesel. And the last question, yeah, sedan, SUV, van, or truck. Beautiful. Next. Privacy policy. Yeah, for this one, it's mandatory. For the link, you can just use your dealership's website privacy policy. Copy this website URL and paste it there. Done. Next. honestly leave it like that if you want to, because you already received their phone number, email, and maybe instead of go to the website, call business and just enter your phone number so that they have an option to call you right away after submitting all of that, which is the easiest way. Now, a little bit more advanced. I'm going to show you here. Special promotion. Okay. Call business. No. Go to website. This one's just gonna say 30-second pre-approval quiz. Again, this is advanced. I'm gonna explain how to do it. Is using like a special software. You can create an easy website. It's gonna look like this on the mobile. They again do all of that, this and that. Home address. You've been pre-approved for an auto loan. To access this loan, please provide us with your contact details and then the phone number. They will have to click this button, verify, so that it sends them text message to their telephone, and they will have to enter the code to be completely verified. Again, just an extra step to make sure they are serious and committed to all this approval process, and then click create form. And at this point, you are done. You can name it maybe free winter tires. And just click publish and you are done, sir. Now, the problem that happens with Facebook Ads Manager is that you will have to manually go to the Facebook to check your leads. There is no an easy way to access them. You don't get notifications unless you have the app downloaded on your phone and you have to constantly check it. What I like to do is connect the CRM to Facebook, and then once a lead is submitted, it then starts an automation like this, which then sends text message to a lead saying, we just received your inquiry, expect a call from us to discuss your vehicle options. And then it also sends them a text message notification to a salesperson assigned to that lead. Verified credit application, full name, phone, email, date of birth, address, credit, budget, everything, right? So you get notification, text notification to your phone, and then you can call them right away. And the good thing about the CRM is that once the lead is in the system, then you can create automations to follow up with them every day, every week by email and text messages until they reply back, or until they call you, or until they reply, stop, do not contact me. That's finally a dead lead. And you've done everything you could to squeeze all the juices from those leads. By the way, the CRM that I personally use for all my clients, it's called Go High Level here. And if you're interested, then just go to Google. It's amazing. I love it. All my clients love it. It's the best, but it has 14-day free trial. And if you're just starting out, you can use my link in the video description, and it will give you, instead of 14, 30 days free trial. And also crazy bonuses, like person will jump on a call with you to set you up, to show you everything, how it's done, like how to set everything up for your business, snapshots, websites, everything. It's crazy stuff. If you're interested, just use the link in the description and benefit from it instead of just, getting nothing and only 14 days. And again, if you liked what you've seen here and you want to see more, consider subscribing, because I'll be doing more videos like this, showing you inside of my business, how I help my clients, what I do, and you can just copy and paste it for your business. So enjoy. Bye-bye.